If you want to transfer money from Wise to a U.S. bank account, this quick guide will walk you through the exact steps. First, open the Wise app and log into your account. From the home screen, tap Send. Now choose where the money is coming from, either your Wise balance or a linked bank account. Select the currency you want to send, for example, USD. Next, choose Bank Transfer as the delivery method. If you're sending to a U.S. bank for the first time, tap Add Recipient. Select someone else, then choose United States as the country. You'll need to enter the recipient's full legal name, bank name, routing number, ACH routing number, account number, and account type, checking or savings. Double-check these details carefully. Incorrect routing or account numbers can delay the transfer. After entering the information, type the amount you want to send. Wise will instantly show the transfer fee, the exchange rate if converting currency, and the exact amount the recipient will receive. Review everything, then tap Confirm and Send. Choose your payment method if required and complete the transfer. Transfers to U.S. bank accounts via ACH usually arrive within a few hours or up to 1 business day, depending on processing times. And that's how you transfer money from Wise to a U.S. bank account in 2026. If this helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick finance tutorials.